Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, your technical expert Udayan Ghosh. Today we will discuss the various types of C language questions and answers. So let's get started. First question, what is C language? C is a general purpose, mid-level and procedural computer programming language. Who is founder of C language? Dennis Ritchie is the founder of C language. Why C language is called a middle level programming language? C is called a middle level programming language because it binds the low level and high level programming language. What are the features of the C language? The main features of the C language are given below. First point, C is a procedural language. Second point, C language is fast and efficient. Third point, C language is statistically language. Fourth point, C is general purpose language. Fifth point, C language is statistically typed language. Sixth point, C language is portability. 7 point, C language is easy to extend. Next question, why we use main function in every C programming? This is the very important questions. So the answers, main is pre-declared and user-defined function. It is compulsory to use this function in every C program because execution of the program begins with main. What is the meaning of header file? Name some header files. This is very important questions. Header files contain declaration of predefined function. We can use any number of header files in our program as per the requirement of predefined functions. Some header files are #include stdio.h, #include conio.h, #include math.h, #include string.h. Next question, what is the meaning of #include? It is a preprocessor directive. It is used to include any header file in our program. Next question, why we use void keyword before main? Void is a data type. We can use any data type main. The data types are used to denote return type of main function. If we are using void, then it gives instruction to compiler that main function will not return any value. Next question, what is the difference between stdio.h and conio.h header files? stdio.h contains declaration of printf and scanf function. Conio.h contains declaration of clr, scr and getch function. Next question, what is the printf and scanf? Printf and scanf is predefined function. It is declared in stdio.h. What is the use of printf? The printf function is used for output. What is the use of scanf? The scanf function is used for input. Why ampersand is used in scanf in C? Ampersand operator is used to access to the address in the memory location. As an example, scanf %d and %n, it means the value entered from the keyboard must be stored in memory location n. Next question, what is the header file of C programming? C language. A header file is a source file that has the .h extension. Header files contain the function prototypes or function declaration. Whenever we require the definition of a function, then we simply include that header file in which function is declared. Some header files are stdio.h to perform input and output operation like printf and scanf. String.h to perform string handling operation like strength length, strain, cmp means string compare. Conio.h to execute console input and output operations. Math.h to perform mathematically operations like squat and power function. Next question, what is C tokens? The basic smallest building block or smallest unit of a C program is called C tokens. There are 6 types of C tokens: keywords, identifiers, constant, string, special symbol, operator. What is variable? A variable is data name that may be used to store a data value. Example, the example of declaring variable is given below. Int a, float b, char c. What is variable? This question is very much important, because variable is the most important part in every C programming. So variable is a data name that may be used to store a data type, and the C variable is a name location in a memory where a program can manipulate the data. C variable is a name location in a memory where a program can manipulate the data. The location is used to hold the value of variable. The location is used to hold the value of variable. Example, int a, float b, char c. Here a, b, c are variables, the int, float, char are the data types. Write rules for defining variable. A variable name can start with alphabets underscore only, it cannot start with a digit. Second point, whitespace is not allowed within the variable name. Third point, a variable name must not be any reserved word or keyword. Example, int float is never a variable. Int float is a data type. Int float is a data type. For, while, this is the reserved word. For loop, while loop, do while loop, this is the reserved word. This is not a variable. So a variable name must not be any reserved word or keyword. Fourth point, uppercase and lowercase are significant. That is, the variable total is not the same as total or total. Is not the same as total or total. Next question, what is data type? Data type specifies the types of data that a variable can store, such as integer, float, character, etc. There are 4 basic data types. Basic data type, int, char, float, double. 4 basic data types: basic data type, derived data type, enumeration data type, void data type. The part of basic data type: int, char, float, double. Derived data type: array, pointer, structure, union. Enumeration data type: enum. Void data type: void. So today will be discussed the various types of C language questions and answers. The next video I will discuss these types of questions and answers. I hope this is a very useful and for every student. So the questions and answers is very important. I hope this is very useful. Then please like, share and subscribe.